a green Avenger, and we're swimming. Okay?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to CaliVali.
Today we're visiting Apple Hill. We will be at High Hill Ranch and Boa Vista Orchards, so come join us.
If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, make sure to do that and stay tuned for our next videos. So let's go! Apple beer is flowing. All the merchants are out here selling stuff. All the restaurants are pretty much open as normal. Not that many people here compared to what it usually is this time of year, but at least there's a lot of people here.
High Hill Ranch is known for their chicken, so we got a chicken meal. Came with 2 giant pieces of chicken, macaroni salad, and a roll, and they gave me extra plates and forks for the baby without me asking, so I'm super happy. Ooh, what'd you get? Ooh, that looks good.
So I got some steak tacos and apple beer. What they're doing is they're just mixing apple cider with beer.
Okay, crazy head.
So we're leaving High Hill Ranch right now. We're heading to Boa Vista, which the cider there is literally next to none compared to this place. So we're gonna go load up on some growlers and see what else they have to offer.
We're at Boa Vista Orchards now. We're gonna see what desserts we can find. We're excited. Oh boy. Oh my goodness.
Pretty bummed I forgot my growler because they actually fill growlers up when you buy them as a souvenir. Take home, you can come back and get them filled up. And I did the same thing last time. And the time before that, I bought another growler and forgot to bring them back both times. So, whatever. I'll just buy a third one today, I guess.
Okay, this is the jam I always get. It's peach jalapeno. It is not spicy. It's so good. I put it over cream cheese and then use it with like wheat thins. Oh my god, it's so good.
Hey.
Well, that about wraps up Apple Hill. We're full and we're broke and overall had a good time.
It's starting to feel a lot like fall up here. Like the weather is just so much different than where we live, so we're really enjoying the coolness and all the fall baking is making me miss Bishop's. We can't wait to go there in just a couple weeks when it opens. We'll be there on opening day making a video for you guys, so come back for that one too.
So stay tuned until next time, guys. Bye.
See you guys later.
Wait, bye.
Say hi, people.
Bye, people.